we are, sitting on a park bench and wondering where to go next. These seem astronomical sort of miles and kilos, but not in our pockets. Maybe we should look at the top one and go straight up.
Okay, let's go.
Welcome to Jaunti Van Life, travelling through South Africa. Full-time van lifers, Cindy and Graham.
Stop.
Living the youth of our old age, enjoying every moment.
Some of us have got to climb up there. Ah, where are you?
I'm going to turn at the bottom. It's hard to turn there.
Hey?
It's hard to turn. Coastline on a mist day, but it's so beautiful out here, even if it's a mist day. Look what else now. Look at those legs. Shongololo. He's the closest to a snake we found. Oh, did you get it open, babe? Oh wow, I saw white coconut flying now. Oh wow, look at this. Let me just see. Look how tough this thing is. Oh wow. Amazing. Broken it open. I have the whole nut. Look at this. And you know, you can ask Graham. I don't eat coconut in the store or on food or anything. And this I eat like crazy. Wow, babes. Isn't that amazing? Then I'm going to just wash it all. How's this? Beautiful. Oh, that's a beautiful picture. The Salt Rock Hotel.
Looking at you.
I'm looking at the beautiful sea. I mean, look how stunning it is. This is huge. And this is a small top hotel.
You see, look when I sit down, like, oh, there the guys looking through the window.
Tommy's got your rosemary. Doesn't really like it, but it's good for his blood circulation. We get given the animals when they're in total distress. My daughter told you what happened to him. Bite it. It's good for your blood. Bite it. Yes, taste it.
Better than steer that.
Yeah. No, he's had so many operations and x-rays and everything.
They used to call me the peacock caller.
It's got a beautiful tail, buddy. So this is like a water park for kids at this place. Beautiful. They're actually having a great time. Playing in the water. Look at this beautiful one. Also a story for him. Graham used to have horses. Oh, I used to have horses. Put that on the floor, give it carrots. Here you go. There's some carrots. There you go, baby. But you must be careful. Hold this like this.
Don't you want to do it?
I'll help you. Come to me. Okay.
So yeah, we walk on the path to the shopping centre. And hey, who do I see here? Oh, how's it, Cindy?
I just want to show you how beautiful the campsite is.
It's a beautiful sight,
Look at
eh?
it. It's just
Ah, there's Jaunti over there.
Oh, it's the most beautiful campsite.
Yeah,
We're
it's
staying here for
very
November as well.
Beautiful place.
Yeah,
The ablutions around the right hand side, you can't see them now.
yeah.
Hey. And this is the pathway going down. You can go to Jaunti that way. But you got to be careful because there can be things that can attack you this way. Careful now. Whoa!
So I have a little froggy, a little friend, a little frog friend. I picked him up under our stool. I love frogs. In Zambia, we used to pick them up all over. And we actually were ugly. We used to put water down their holes so they would come out. So this is my workshop today, my studio. My studio. Yeah. The Jaunti van. Jaunti. And this is my workshop area today. Lovely, huh? So look at this divine cakes. We're going to have some lemon poppy.
Lemon and poppy
Yeah.
seed.
Oh,
Oh, I like this.
You know, us and cakes, eh?
We're gonna eat
That
our
looks
cookies.
nice. And then croissant. This is
Nice.
a beautiful place, yeah. Nice and cozy and cute. Pinky, lovely. Yeah.
So do you like that?
Yeah. Love the pink towel.
I think that's a good chest. We can also see the
Yeah.
The
So this
sound
is a
route.
nice little place to sit.
It's a beautiful place.
We can
And
overlook
what
the
can we
school
watch?
playing cricket.
Can we watch the Sixers here?
Yeah. Let's sit here, babe.
Yeah, I just want to have a look from here.
The school's playing cricket out here. It overlooks the cricket, guys. Lovely.
You like this place? Hello everybody. Well, we've got to the end of our video. Cindy's got something to say.
Okay, so there's sort of two pillars to our who we are and what we're doing. So the two pillars, the number one is actually the youth of our old age, living out the youth of our old age as older pensioners, living in retirement and living a life sort of on the road,
without sitting
fun.
on a couch there, just lounging out and footing.
Yes.
We're going and having a look what's happening in the world.
So that's gonna, we'll try and push that a little bit so we can answer questions. You can sort of see our lifestyle, how you maybe did it, how it can be a dream of yours. You can look at our life as that. So that's the one main pillar. We're older humans in retirement, traveling around, seeing South Africa. What a beautiful country we have. And we see beautiful things every day. Then the second one, which is a huge pillar, and another point, number two, is I'm an artist on the road. And it's a very big, unique thing. An artist doing art outside. I don't have a studio inside. If I have to, I've got this table right here.
There's a table down there, or the table that we have the camera on, the little one you can sit there on, and you can lie on your bed and do it.
But I actually do a lot outside, and I do different things. So the artist is a very big point, and another discussion point that can encourage people with crafts. You can be on the road, and especially if you're already making money, you know, like with an Etsy shop or some shop, you can make money off your work. So that's another big step in ours. And if you've got to this point in the video, you're enjoying our video,
subscribe, share, like and comment. And from Cindy and Graham, ciao for now.
We love you all.
We love you. God bless.
We appreciate you all for your subscribing and your viewing. And God bless, as Graham says. Bye.